Welcome back. Now, in this week's edition of the Business Review, we feature a couple working hard to grow their plant business. Here's Janella Perseus with the details.
From the roadside to an actual plant shop, it's the story of Reggae Plants Jamaica, which after 11 years in operation has begun to expand. It all started here in 2010. Founder Terence Turner recounts the difficulties in accessing financing to pursue his dream of entrepreneurship.
I try it, I try it, and when you look, like I say, on a background for this or nothing like that, how you going to pay them back, and it's tough. Nobody help me. And no bank me go, right? Nobody help me.
So he did the next best thing, seek help from his father, who was already in the plant business.
Like a consignment thing, him say, take what you want, sell, and take your part and bring back film part, come give me.
But with no sales, he had nothing to give after the first month.
Remember one Saturday, somebody called me and said, you need to get some plant with some blooming on it. So what I do now, I just say, which part I can get them? Start sourcing now and then bring me to this place. We in far out in the bush.
And with that, his fortunes changed forever. He recalls making his first $7,000.
Feel like the richest man, right? Selling 1 day worth of plants, 7 days. So what I do now, I use a 7,000, don't even hesitate. I use it and turn it back around into more plants again.
With profits now coming in, he reinvested it in the business, which he runs with his partner.
Instead of buying plants, I could buy a car. That will show you how much I talk about. I spend a lot on plants, trust me, a lot. When I say a lot, I spend, like some people spend maybe between 10 to 100,000 and say, yeah man, a good money I spend, man. That is just a drop in the bucket to what I spend on plant, you understand me? And to care for them and nurture them and all them stuff. It costs, But the more I spend, the better result and the more I make.
With a larger space, they now have a staff of 4. Mr. Turner explains continuous knowledge about plants and customer service are key to his thriving business. The couple now hopes to double their profits.
I have a lot more plants, as you may see, but for sure, there is nothing much extra than we being ourselves and doing what we like and taking things to a different level. Because things that we didn't do before, in terms of when we were out there, we wanted a lot of plants and different varieties. We couldn't place those on the street. So here we go now, we have a launch here for ourselves. So we can actually place everything in here and make it comfortable and place it so others can be comfortable as they choose to come in.
But I like to have a branch in like Ochi, most popular place I go still. Cause I wouldn't put a business maybe in St. Elizabeth, right? I would have say more Ochi, more Mobile.
With the Business Review, I'm Janella Perseus.